First on our list is the tranquil and lesser-known Qilin Nunnery. Nestled amidst the bustling city, this Buddhist temple offers a serene oasis of lotus ponds, bonsai trees, and traditional Tang Dynasty architecture. It stands as a testament to the city's timeless beauty and spiritual depth. Next, we journey to the heart of Hong Kong's art scene, the Tai Kwun Center for Heritage and Arts. Once a colonial prison and police station, this architectural marvel now houses contemporary art exhibits and performances, breathing new life into the city's historic fabric. Our third stop is the vibrant Temple Street Night Market. As dusk settles, this bustling street transforms into a lively market offering everything from delicious street food to unique trinkets. The market's vibrant atmosphere is a sensory feast that truly encapsulates the city's dynamic spirit. Moving on, we reach the iconic Victoria Peak. Offering breathtaking views of the cityscape, the peak is Hong Kong's highest point and most popular tourist spot. Whether you choose to ride the historic Peak Tram or hike up, the panoramic views at the summit will leave you spellbound. Finally, we arrive at the globally renowned Symphony of Lights. This mesmerizing light and sound show paints the Hong Kong skyline with a palette of colors every night. With more than 40 buildings participating, it's a spectacle of light and music that encapsulates the city's vibrant energy. To summarize, Hong Kong is a city that merges tradition with modernity, spirituality with commercialism, and local culture with international influences. From the tranquility of the Qilin Nunnery to the artistic hub of Tai Kwun, the vibrant Temple Street Night Market, the panoramic Victoria Peak, and the enchanting Symphony of Lights, each attraction offers a unique facet of the city's charm. So, if you're yearning for an adventure that offers an intriguing blend of history, culture, and breathtaking vistas, Hong Kong awaits. It's a city that promises a myriad of experiences and leaves an indelible imprint on the hearts of those who venture its vibrant streets and serene corners.